Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable stew with ugu step by step. Gather ugu leaves, assorted vegetables, stock, palm oil, onions, and seasonings. Wash and chop everything, then heat oil and sauté onions until soft and fragrant. Add tomatoes or tomato paste, stir and simmer to concentrate flavor. Add stock, vegetables, and ugu, then simmer until tender and season to taste before serving. Start by heating oil, then sauté chopped onions and garlic until translucent and soft. Stir in tomato paste or fresh tomatoes and let the mixture reduce to deepen flavor. Pour in stock and bring to a gentle simmer before adding root vegetables and proteins. Cook until vegetables are fork tender but still hold shape. Fold in chopped ugu last, simmer briefly, then adjust salt, heat, and acidity for a balanced stew. Taste the stew and season with salt, pepper, or chili to reach your preferred balance. Finish by stirring in chopped ugu so it wilts, but keeps its vibrant color and nutrients. A splash of lime or a dash of vinegar brightens the whole pot and balances richness. Serve the stew hot alongside fufu, rice, or boiled yams for a comforting meal that highlights the leafy greens and hearty vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.